Hello, people. Welcome to Career Deep Training Solutions and myself, Mohan Rajamani. At this session, we are going to discuss about the advertisement released by Cognizant for Gen Z as well as Gen Z Elevate profile. So let me clarify you what is Gen Z as well as Gen Z Elevate and how to prepare and what are all the syllabus and how my previous year students clear Gen Z and what this position is exactly about. See, this advertisement is not applicable for all the colleges. So now it is April 2023. Now we have the advertisement, and this is applicable for selective colleges listed by Cognizant in Western as well as central part of India. Right, so it is for 2023 passed out BE, BTech as well as ME, MCE graduates. Now, let me show you where we have this advertisement. See, I have included the application link in the description. So here you have the two roles, Gen Z as well as Gen Z Elevate, right? So apart from that, you have two more roles. It is not applicable for you people. Now, Gen Z. So Gen Z is for programmer analyst training. So for Gen Z role, you don't need a programming knowledge. So if you are very good at aptitude as well as communication, it is sufficient to crack this Gen Z. Now, but when it comes to Gen Z Elevate, right? So you must be familiar with the programming concept. So you should be you should able to code as well as you should able to identify the conceptual analysis of the programming languages like data structure, OOPS concept, algorithm, all those stuffs. But if you take Gen Z Elevate, right, so the package varies. So in Gen Z, it is only 4 lakhs per annum. In Gen Z Elevate, it is 4 lakhs per annum, as well as you will be getting one-time skill-based joining bonus, but it is not guaranteed, right? So if you show a very good performance, like they will be giving you one-time skill-based joining bonus. So that is the only difference between Gen Z as well as Gen Z Elevate. Now, when you take Gen Z, right, so 2023 passed out BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, and MSc software engineering students as well as MSc, CS, and IT students can apply for this process, right? So you will be getting only the assessment, right? Online assessment. So it carries aptitude, reasoning, verbal, as well as communication assessment, followed by you will be having an face-to-face interview. So if you clear it, you will be getting an offer letter for Gen Z profile. But when it comes to Gen Z Elevate, so it is programmer analyst trainee, right? So it is also a patrol. So it is applicable for 2023 passed out BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, MSc, CS, and IT. Now, if you take BE, so it is applicable for the streams like CSE, ECE, EEE, IT, and electronics, telecommunication engineering, as well as IT. So it is only for, selective branches only. And students must be familiar with the coding concepts as I stated earlier. Now, this is difference between Gen Z as well as Gen Z Elevate. But when it comes to Gen Z Elevate, so student can expect questions, right? So in online skill based assessment, you will be getting only technical questions, right? So you'll be getting conceptual analysis questions like MCQ questions from your C programming, as well as you will be getting coding questions. So you have to clear it. Then you will be taken to face interview, technical interview. So if you clear it, you will be getting a Gen Z Elevate offer. So if you fail the technical assessment, right? So that face to face technical assessment, you will be again provided with the offer of Gen Z. But in Gen Z, it is only 2 rounds. In Gen Z Elevate, it is 2 rounds. But if you fail to clear that technical assessment, you will be provided with the offer of Gen Z, right? So you can take that face-to-face interview conducted for Gen Z, and you will be getting that offer, right? So if you feel you are so strong in programming like databases, structural query languages, so you can apply for Gen Z Elevate profile. Else, you can opt for Gen Z, right? So now once you click this apply now, so it will be redirecting you to the page so where you can fill your details. So it is campus hiring. It is not off campus hiring. It is campus hiring for selective colleges, as I stated earlier. Now here you have to give your name, middle name, last name, date of birth, all those stuffs. Now, so here, okay, so you have to give your college. So if it is listed in the Cognizant, okay, you can apply. Else you are not eligible, right? So let me give a college name. Now see, here it shows your college is ineligible to apply for this job profile. That means your college should be listed in the superset registration website, right? So it is for selective colleges, as I stated, for Western India as well as central part of India. So if the college is not listed, you are not eligible, right? Okay, so you have to fill the registration. After that, you will be getting an acknowledgement. So on the selective date, you have to take the assessment. Now coming to Gen Z, right? So yeah, so we are going to speak about the Gen Z programmer analyst training. So that means exactly this part. Okay, so clearing Gen Z part is really simple because it carries only the aptitude part, right? So you'll be you will be given with the arithmetic question, as well as you have some verbal ability question, and you have logical reasoning question, some picture-based puzzles, data interpretation question. Apart from that, you have communication assessment. So major filtration will happen in the first round only. So if you clear it, then you will be getting a 20 to 30 minutes of face-to-face interview, right? So it may happen in online, or sometimes it will happen in offline. So it is purely based on flexibility of HR. Now, clearing this is very, very simple. We have included sufficient videos related to Gen Z in our YouTube channel. So I have included some videos in description. So you can click and watch it. So if you want to have a crash course, right? So we have included the crash course link in our description, right? So the cost is very cheap. It is 125 rupees. So you can purchase it and you can get ready for this Gen Z profile in less than 4 days, right? So if you invest 6 to 7 hours per day, and if you practice for it, so definitely you can clear this Gen Z profile in less than 3 to 4 days. So this is all about the Gen Z, and in this channel we are going to include lot of placement stuff as well as campus interview preparatory videos, and we plan to post lot of technical stuffs until you get placed, right? So even after getting placed, so you will be getting lot of soft skill videos. So just subscribe this channel, and if you feel this video is worth, you can share it to your friends, so it may help someone, right? So thank you so much for watching, and all the very best, people.